Have you ever wondered what would happen if there were a form of value that didn't rely on banks, wasn't restricted by borders, and was fully controlled by you? It may sound futuristic, but this is exactly the transformation cryptocurrency is bringing to the financial world. Today, Bifu Academy will guide you through a clear, 3-minute introduction to this fast-evolving technology that is reshaping the global economy. What is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed for the internet era. Just like sending an email doesn't require a post office, a crypto transfer happens peer-to-peer without intermediaries, at lower cost, and with higher efficiency. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, marking the beginning of the digital finance era. Ethereum came next, taking a major step forward. It not only enables transfers, but also runs smart contracts. You can think of it as a decentralized application ecosystem. You might wonder, Bitcoin and Ethereum can be quite volatile. Are they practical for everyday payments? This is where stablecoins come in. For example, USDC is designed to maintain a 1-to-1 value peg with the US dollar, combining the convenience of digital assets with the stability of traditional currency. This makes crypto usable across a wider range of real-world scenarios. Why is it trustworthy? The foundation lies in blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as a transparent, tamper-resistant global ledger. Thousands of computers validate and record every transaction together. Only after the network reaches consensus can a transaction be added to the ledger. Once recorded, it cannot be altered by any single party. This decentralized structure makes the system resilient and ensures that as long as you hold your private key, you retain full control of your assets without depending entirely on any centralized institution. What can cryptocurrency be used for? Cryptocurrency is more than an investment. It is already integrated into real-world applications. Cross-border payments, faster, lower cost, suitable for global transactions. Asset management, a tool for diversification and inflation hedging. Access to emerging digital fields, NFTs, blockchain gaming, the metaverse, and more. Financial inclusion. Anyone with a smartphone can more easily participate in the global economy. Crypto is rapidly evolving into a new layer of digital financial infrastructure, not just another speculative asset. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of what cryptocurrency is and why it matters. If you'd like to explore further, choosing a secure, compliant, and well-equipped platform is essential. On Bifu, you can trade major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum with ease, while also accessing forex and RWA products, all within one unified platform to support a diversified investment portfolio. The future of finance is accelerating. Download the Bifu app and begin your journey into the world of cryptocurrency with Bifu, securely, professionally, and confidently embracing the next era of digital finance.